itong ginawa ng mga opisyalis from the executive branch of government is a total snub to as far as we're concerned. And ito'y tahasang pagbaliwala sa doktrina ng checks and balances ng ating gobyerno. So what will happen to this? Pag tuluyang ganito ang mangyayari is, I think we are now on the verge of a constitutional crisis. Wala nang respetuhan ito sa isang kapwa co-equal branch of government. So, Madam Chair, I would like to move that we issue a subpoena to these government officials to require their presence in the next hearing. Kung meron ka pang gaganaping hearing, dapat masubpoena ito sila para magkaalaman.